Everyone, and welcome to this international conference. My name is Wendy Guevara, and today I'm going to talk about the innovative artificial blood project that was being developed by Japanese scientists from the Nara Medical University, led by Professor Hiromi Sakai. Isn't it fascinating? The groundbreaking formula, which was created from expired blood, was developed by extracting hemoglobin and encapsulating it into microvessels in order to replicate the function of red blood cells. This is a great breakdown for the community, the scientific community. However, there are still several challenges that need to be solved before artificial blood can be distributed in worldwide. One of the main advantages is that this blood is compatible with any person, regardless of their blood type, and patients who require blood transfusions could significantly improve their life expectancy. Professor Asahi Manu Kinoshita, who has participated in this research project, reports that the artificial blood will be able to save the lives of people who otherwise could not be saved. He also explained that it is difficult to stock a sufficient amount of blood or transfusions in such regions as remote islands. To verify the effectiveness of this blood, scientists had the formula test on 10 rabbits that were suffering from massive hemorrhage. Surprisingly, 6 rabbits survived, whereas the others didn't know. This result was very similar to what happened when rabbits were treated with real blood. So far, no side effects have been reported, which means that the treatment might be safer than researchers had expected. In fact, some experts believe that this medical advantage could transform emergency medical medicine in the future. Okay, so now in 2022 and 2024-25, the Nara Medical University conduct clinical trials with healthy adults. The objective of these trials, which were carefully supervised by medical specialists, was to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of this artificial blood. As we can see in this chart here, different stage has different medical trials will continue to be carried out before the product is officially approved. If everything goes well, artificial blood will be begun used in hospitals by 2030, and scientists will have developed more advanced methods for storing it for up to 2 years. Finally, we are going to watch part of this video which explains exactly how artificial blood works and how the researchers team from the Nara Medical University has developed in this important scientific innovation.
A critical component of healthcare, blood transfusions play a vital role in saving lives around the globe every day. Maintaining an adequate blood supply, though, is no easy task, particularly in low and middle-income countries, LMIC. The demand for O-negative blood, the universal donor type, often exceeds supply, and donations have a limited shelf life. Looking to address the issue are a group of Japanese scientists led by Hiromi Sakai at Nara Medical University. They've developed a new type of artificial blood that can be used in patients of any blood type. The artificial blood is created by extracting hemoglobin, a protein containing iron that facilitates the transportation of oxygen in red blood cells, from expired donor blood. It is then encased in a protective shell to create stable, virus-free artificial red blood cells. As these artificial cells have no blood type, there is no need for compatibility testing. The synthetic blood can reportedly be stored for up to 2 years at room temperature and 5 years under refrigeration. That is a significant improvement over donated red blood cells, which can only be stored under refrigeration for a maximum of 42 days.
Right, everyone. To conclude this is my reflection. I can say that I adapt the communication to different audiences by using simple and clear languages, which allowed me to explain the message of this research effectively. Moreover, through advanced grammar and vocabulary, I was able to create a more professional and natural form of communication because I adapt it to the scientific context. This allowed me to express more complex ideas and opinions with clarified and fluency. Finally, I consider that I have a very good intercultural awareness because I enjoy learning about the world and different cultures, which enable me to learn about the interesting study conducted by Japan. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.